home glow up because your girl's not feeling very confident. You know what I mean? Let's get right into it. Here's my little pile of things that will hopefully make me look a lot more refreshed. This is all under $100, which I am pretty impressed with. I think the elephant in the room that we're gonna start with is the hair. This is something I found on TikTok. It was like 20 bucks for everything. Basically, you have a hair dyeing kit, which comes with like all the tools that you need that you would see in your salon. And then this is developer, which you basically need to use this with the toner. This color is 7A medium cool blonde. I'm hoping this is the right color, but let's go and try to DIY this. I'm actually quite nervous. What if I butcher my hair? Got some clips. Got this little fancy bowl. We've got a little brush. And of course, the main character, the one that's gonna be doing the damage. So over the summer, I decided I wanted to go like really blonde. I went to the salon, paid a lot of money to do that. And I get it, you know, I was making like a really extreme change, but the toner washed out obviously over the summer and it just kind of got like an awkward orange blonde. So I went back recently a few weeks ago to essentially get my hair toned darker for the winter. So anyways, I went in, I retoned it. It was stunning. For the first like week or two, it was just stunning, but my toner literally went out so fast and produced that like orange color. So instead of wanting to like go back into the salon because I was just there, I'm just gonna do it myself. And if it really like turns out that horrifically, I will go back to the salon and have her change it. Wish me luck, keep me in your prayers, and I'll be back. Public service announcement, maybe don't use a white shirt to tone your hair. Okay, so this is kind of what it's starting to look like. In the lighting there, it looks a little more red for some reason in the camera. In real life, it's a much more chocolatey brown. What's funny is this side is lighter than this side. It's kind of really bothering me because now it just looks uneven. So I might end up like going through that again and toning it later, but either way, it's kind of cool how it turned out. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting, but it does look a lot cleaner now than it did before, which I'm happy about. But I will continue to blow dry it and then I'm gonna straighten it for you and then we'll kind of judge it together. Hair reveal. Honestly, for $20 for my hair, the way it was so crazy and crusty before, my hair looks fresh from the salon. I'm not mad about the results at all. I already feel a lot more confident, but I do have a couple other things I do want to do. For instance, I caved and I bought this from Target. It's a mini mani studio kit. It was $30 total for like this thingy and then all these colors. And then like you literally have all the tools you need for it. So we're gonna try this. I'm terrible at like painting and stuff, so I have no idea how this is actually going to physically happen. Let's get into this because my nails are just getting worse by the day. I have been kind of avoiding doing my own nails because I'm a little concerned that I am not skilled enough. But if I do successfully paint my nails and they look amazing, or at least like decent from afar, anyone can do this. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's so many colors. So we have like all the tools in here. And then we have the drying machine over here. Cute. Little charging port. Stunning. Stunning colors. Let's see what's in here. We have little toe, whatever they're called. We have a little brush, a couple filing sticks, shaper file, and shaper buffer. I think this is for your cuticles, and then a cute little nail clipper. My nails took so long to take off. I tested every ounce of patience that I have. Nonetheless, let's get started. I'm gonna try both of these colors and see like which one I like more. I'm starting with the base gel, which is also included. Okay, so these are the three colors I'm kind of debating on. We've got this really pretty pink color, and then this is like a light gray, almost white, and then we've got like a milky white. I feel like all three of them are really cute in their own ways, but I kind of do love how this pink stands out. I feel like this is a color I haven't seen on my fingers for a long time. I just asked my husband and he said he likes the pink one, which I think I'm leaning towards it as well. I just think it's a really, really pretty pink. Surprisingly, I wasn't expecting to lean towards it. This pink color is really cute and poppy. It definitely stands out. So we're gonna go with this. My hands are so jittery right now from coffee. I haven't eaten lunch yet, so my hand's just kind of glitching out. So this is 2 coats. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. I think I'm just gonna like do like one more thin coat, and then we're gonna top it off with the top gel, and then we'll move on to this left hand that I am avoiding. Well, that feels good. One hand is done. Now time for the left hand, and I think this will be the deciding factor if being able to do up my nails at home is possible and worth it or not. It's already going south. Okay, so I just finished my nails, and this is what they're looking like. That is my left hand, so this one I feel a little more confident about. But my right hand didn't turn out so bad. Honestly, I thought it would have been worse, but they ended up turning out so cute. And I love this color, I love this pink. I can't believe this was $30, and I have like 20 colors. I think what was most labor intensive was taking off the previous gel, but I'm sure these are gonna be way easier to kind of peel off. It worked out. They don't look bad at all. I'm really impressed right now. Second sleigh. First sleigh was the hair. I love this chocolate color that it came out to be. And then look at these nails. And I did them myself, you guys. I did them myself. Pretty impressive. Yay! We've got a little... Bro. Don't piss me off right now. Don't piss me off. I have a little eye mask situation. I just found some random ones from Target. When was the last time I've done an eye mask, you ask? I have no idea, but I feel like I just need some kind of boost or pick me up. These have smoothing collagen and vitamin E. Beautiful. We are going to have these kind of just sitting for a while. They kind of match my nails. Cute. Ooh. Why is there 2 in here? Okay, so I guess I'm lucky. Except it's like, what am I gonna do with 3? These are so like sticky. Like I've never had eye masks that stick on so well. And then I want to tackle a very interesting task. It is the first TikTok shop item that influenced me. It is, if you can see, fake lashes. These are a really gorgeous brown color, or they should be. Basically, I saw this TikTok of this girl applying them in her car. I don't know what it was, but I was like, love what I'm seeing, and I want to try to do this at home. I would get fake lashes done, and I loved them once they kind of fell out and they look a lot more natural, but I don't like the appointments, number 1. Like, I don't like sitting there for like 2 hours. And number 2, it's so expensive. I think this was like 20 bucks or something, and there's like so many of them. I'm not gonna lie, it looks a little intimidating. However, I really want to figure this out. Here's the thing. I'm trying to prove a point to myself that I can glow up at home with a reasonable budget and still have it be cute. What is the waterline? I don't even know what that is. Perfect. Are these brown or not? These look like they're black. All the way ordered brown ones. Wait, that's so freaking annoying. How am I supposed to know what is my size? I guess I'm just gonna like wing it. Okay. Oh, it's like mascara. Oh, that's not good. Wait, I'm so confused right now. We're going to make it. We're going to make it. Okay. Let's try to place it in the corner. You're supposed to wait 30 seconds. Hello? Girl. Okay, so it's like coming off my eyelid. I'm not liking this so far. It's a beautiful lash, but also it's totally coming off. It does not look good. All right, so this is going terribly. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Poquito overstimulated, poquito. Let's try to just like remove all this bond, and then once we get it all cleared out, we will try to continue applying lashes. Okay, I think that's too thick. Yeah, too thick. Sorry, girl. We're gonna have to get rid of you. Girl. Oh, I legit couldn't even close my eye. Okay. I need to collect myself. This is the reality right now, and I'm not having it. Like, it's making my whole face irritated, and I'm really frustrated right now because I look back at the TikTok video of the girl that I, saw putting on the lashes, and I was like, OMG, I love that. They look so natural. The style of the lashes are different, and the color is brown, and the way she applied them also is different from this like mascara glue that I use, which is so messy. It's just like really bothering me. Like, every little mistake you make, you can see it because it's black. So I think I'm just gonna quit. It's not even what I ordered, and we're just gonna have to figure out something else for my lashes because right now they just look insane. I already took off all my makeup for the night, so I probably look insane, but I really quick wanted to do like a heatless curl with the sock type action for tonight, and I've never done this before, but I saw a girl do it that just made it look really simple, so I wanted to try this and hopefully wake up tomorrow with pretty heatless curls. We're gonna attempt to follow what she says. And then she added a hairspray, which I don't have, but I do have this Way hair oil. I don't know if it's gonna really be the same effect, but I'm just gonna do it. Okay, it seems really easy. I don't have like the fuzzy kind of sock that people usually use. I just have these long socks. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. It's this end. I'm not sure. My hair's not very long for this. I wonder if that's gonna be okay. And then she kind of flipped the other end like this. And she said it was okay that it's gonna like dangle a little bit. We're gonna do the other side really quick. Just wrap it kind of. Okay, so I look like an idiot, but these are the vibes. We shall wake up tomorrow and see what the situation is. Good night. Good morning. One sock already fell out, but this is so pretty. My hair is not very long, so I was just honestly worried all night that like it wouldn't even work out. Also, I was not sleeping well because I was just overthinking the whole time that the socks would fall out. Wait, this is stunning. Look at that. And it's like so just, I was worried it was gonna be like too defined, like a very Hollywood curls, but this is beautiful. Okay, that was worth it. That's insane. This is my first time doing this, and I don't know what I was expecting, but this is much better than what I thought. It's so just simple and cute. I'm gonna do a full face of makeup and just kind of see how it all looks coming together. Yay. I love it. It's so pretty. Because I never curl my hair, I just love how the curls are just so like loose. Kind of seems crazy, but also I legit think I'm gonna be doing this for all of the holiday parties coming up. I just feel like it makes me look like I spent so much time on my hair when in reality, I woke up like this. I am really pleasantly surprised. Yay! I'm back with one final task to end off this glow up video. It is the lashes that I attempted to do. I finally was able to get the right lash extensions that I was looking for, and we're gonna attempt to do this as a kind of last hurrah. I also just redid my nails last night. It's been a little bit of time since I was able to reorder this lash kit. All right, so this is my little experiment. I laid out my left eye and my right eye following the TikTok that I saw, and then I'm just gonna hello, I just ruined it. Perfect. Start attaching it at the base. Wait, hold on, I'll show you in a second, but that's kind of a sleigh. Okay, this is kind of working. Like, it looks stunning. Literally looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Like, how did I just do this myself in 5 minutes? All right, you guys, this is the final look with the lashes. I'm not gonna lie, this eye, when I first put it on, I was like, gorgeous, stunning. And then I put this eye on, and then it now just kind of looks like a little too much. Like, and I tried to take out some of the lashes, and then it was just like not equal, and I think for now we're just gonna keep this look at home. I don't think I'm confident enough to be wearing this out with people, especially if they like look close at my lashes, but it was actually really fun though, and I can't believe I did this in like 10 minutes. Anyways, that is my at-home glow up. Honestly, went better than I thought. To be able to spend under $100 and be able to get my nails done, my lashes done, my hair done, I'm not mad about it. So I would say this was worth it. That's a sleep for me, and thank you for watching.